Okay, all of you, good morning. In last class, we discussed about properties of acids and properties of bases, and Arrhenius theory and Bronsted-Lowry theory. In this class, we discussed about Lewis' theory of acids and bases. G. N. Lewis in 1923 proposed a new concept of acids and bases based upon the electronic theory of valency. He attributed the properties of acids and bases to the electronic structure of the substances according to this theory. Definition of acid: a chemical species that can accept a pair of electrons and forms coordinate covalent bond is called acid. Base: a chemical species that can donate a pair of electrons and forms coordinate covalent bond is called base. Salt: the addition product formed by the reaction of acid and base is called salt. For example, in Arrhenius theory, acid definition: the substance which gives H plus ion in aqueous solution is called as acid. In Bronsted-Lowry theory, the substance which can donate proton to other substance is called as acid. In Lewis theory, a chemical species that can accept a pair of electrons and forms coordinate covalent bond is called acid. The different scientists to give acid base definition to different types. And base: as per Arrhenius theory, the substance which gives OH minus ion in aqueous solution is called as base. In Bronsted-Lowry theory, a substance which can accept proton to other substance is called as base. In Lewis theory, a chemical species that can donate a pair of electrons and forms a coordinate covalent bond is called base. In acid base definition, different way explained different scientists. In Arrhenius theory, salt definition: substances which can neither give H plus nor OH minus ions in aqueous solution during the primary ionization are called salt. In Bronsted-Lowry theory does not explain neutralization, but in Lewis theory explained salt definition: the addition product formed by the reaction of acid and base is called salt. Neutralization: the formation of a coordinate covalent bond between acid and base is called neutralization. Example 1: formation of ammonium boron trifluoride NH3BF3. Ammonium NH3 contains a 1 electron pair in on nitrogen, so it acts as Lewis base. BF3 acts as Lewis acid due to containing of vacant orbital in the valency orbit of boron. NH3 ammonia plus BF3 boron trifluoride. The boron containing one electron pair extra, ammonia containing one electron pair extra, boron trifluoride containing a vacant orbital. The electron pair donate ammonia to the boron fluoride trifluoride to form ammonium boron trifluoride complex. Example 2, formation of ammonium ion. NH3 acts as Lewis base due to containing of lone electron pair on nitrogen. H plus proton act as Lewis acid. NH3 containing one extra electron pair and H plus ion containing one vacant orbital. These two formation ammonium ion. Types of Lewis acids. Lewis acids are divided into 4 types. Simple cations H plus, Na plus, Mg plus 2, Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3, Zn plus 2, etc. Molecules in which central atom has incomplete octet or electron deficient molecules. Example BF3, BCl3, AlCl3, etc. Molecules in which central atom can expand octet: silicon tetrafluoride, silicon tetrachloride, stannous tetrachloride, etc. Molecules containing double bonds between heteroatoms: CO2, SO2, NO2, etc. Types of Lewis bases. Lewis bases are divided into 3 types. All negative ions, that is anions. Example Cl minus, OH minus, Cn minus, oxygen minus 2, SO4 minus 2, etc. Molecules containing one or more lone pair of electrons. Example H2O, NH3, ROH alcohol, or NH2 amine. Molecules having multiple bonds between carbon atoms, that is alkenes and alkynes. C2H4, C2H2, C3H6. These are the types of Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Limitations of Lewis theory. First one, this theory failed to explain the strength of acids and bases. As per Arrhenius theory and Bronsted-Lowry theory explained strength of acids and bases, but Lewis theory failed to explain strength of acids and bases. Generally, acid-base reactions are fast, but Lewis acid-base reactions are slow. Third one, it could not explain the neutralization of simple acids and bases which do not involve coordinate covalent bond formation. Acids such as HCl, H2SO4 cannot form coordinate covalent bond with bases, which is essential for this theory. This type of acids do not form coordinate covalent bond with bases. In most of the cases, when a chemist speaks an acid or base, he uses the terms in Arrhenius concept only. The three types of theories, Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory, and Lewis theory, the perfect definition of acids and bases to follow the Arrhenius theory only. Then next, ionic product of water, that its refer is Kw. Pure water is a very weak electrolyte. It ionizes a small extent into hydrogen H plus and hydroxyl ion OH minus. This is known as self-ionization of water. The ions formed in the self-ionization are in equilibrium with undissociated H2O molecules. This equilibrium is represented as H2O equilibrium H plus and OH minus. But the H plus ion gets hydrated to H3O plus by water, hence the above reaction may be written as H2O acid 1 plus H2O base 2 equilibrium H3O plus acid 2 plus OH minus base 1. Whereas Kw is called as ionic product of water. The units of Kw is moles square per liter square. Definition of Kw: the product of molar concentration of hydrogen ion H plus and hydroxyl ion OH minus at any temperature of pure water or aqueous solution is known as ionic product of water. In this ionic product of water, the concentration of hydrogen ion in hydroxyl ion at any temperature is called as ionic product of water. The value of Kw increases with temperature. At 25 degrees, the value of Kw is 1 into 10 to the power of 14 moles square by liter square. Since H2O is neutral to litmus, the concentration of H plus ion may be equal to the concentration of OH minus ion, but H plus concentration OH minus concentration equal to Kw equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles square by liter square, or H plus or OH minus equal to Kw or H plus equal to OH minus root power of the 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So in water, H plus ion concentration 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter. OH minus ion concentration equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter. Significance of Kw: if an acid is added to water, the concentration of H plus ion increases and the concentration of OH minus ion decreases. Similarly, if a base is added, the concentration of OH increases and the concentration of H plus ion decreases. But the product of these ions must be constant. Kw is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles square per liter square in all aqueous solutions. Therefore, it is possible to calculate H plus ion concentration if OH minus ion concentration is known or vice versa. Formula: H plus ion concentration equal to Kw by OH minus ion concentration, and OH minus ion concentration equal to Kw by H plus ion concentration. In neutral solutions, H plus ion concentration equal to OH minus ion concentration equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter in acidic solutions. Then next, pH scale and pOH. pH scale was introduced by S.P. Sorensen in order to express the acidity of dilute solution accurately. pH is defined as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter of a solution. This is called pH. Its formula: pH equal to minus log H plus, or pH equal to log 1 by H plus. From this we can write H plus concentration equal to 10 to the power of minus pH. pH scale in the range of 0 to 14. For acidic solutions, pH is less than 7. For basic solutions, pH is more than 7, and for a neutral solution, pH equal to 7. The lower the pH, more acidic is the solution. Conversely, higher the pH, more basic is the solution. Definition of pOH scale: the negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Formula: pOH equal to minus log OH plus, pOH equal to log 1 by OH minus. The sum of pH and pOH is equal to 14, that is pH plus pOH equal to 14. Okay, today topics discuss about Lewis theory. Lewis theory. The Lewis theory explained Jean Lewis in 1923. It is based upon electronic theory of valence. He attributed the properties of acids and bases to the electronic structure of the substances. According to this theory, acid definition: a chemical species that can accept a pair of electrons and forms coordinate covalent bond is called base. Base: a chemical species that can donate a pair of electrons and forms coordinate covalent bond is called base. Salt: the addition product formed by the reaction of acid and base is called salt. This is the explanation of acid, base and salt. Neutralization: the formation of coordinate covalent bond between acid and base is called neutralization. And example 1, formation of ammonium boron trifluoride complex. In this complex, ammonia contain one electron pair because it is act as Lewis base. Boron trifluoride taken 2 electrons into the vacant orbital because it is Lewis acid. These react to form a ammonium boron trifluoride. Example 2, formation of ammonium ion NH4 plus. In example 2, NH3 donating a lone pair of electrons because it acts as a Lewis base, and proton or H plus ion takes as electron pair. It contain vacant orbital. It acts as Lewis acid. Some of the Lewis acids and bases: simple cations, electron deficient molecules, molecules expand octant, and molecules containing double bonds between heteroatoms. And types of Lewis bases: all negative ions. Then next to molecules containing one or more lone pair of electrons, molecules having multiple bonds between carbon atoms, and alkenes and alkynes. These are the Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Limitations: 4 limitations are present at Lewis theory. This theory failed to explain strength of acids and bases. Generally, acid-base reactions are fast, but Lewis theory explanation: the acid-base reactions are slow. Next, it could not explain neutralization of simple acids and bases which do not involve coordinate covalent bond formation. This is also another demerit for Lewis acid-base theory. Acids such as HCl and H2SO4 do not form coordinate covalent bond with bases, which is essential for this theory. This also do not explain this theory. In the 3 theories, Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory, and Lewis theory, most number of chemists are in textbooks or follow the Arrhenius theory and perfect definition of acid and base Arrhenius theory concept. Then next, ionic product of water. Definition of ionic product of water: the product of molar concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion at any temperature of pure water or aqueous solution is known as ionic product of water. it is represented as kW. Its units moles square per liter square. kW value at 25 degrees temperature 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles square per liter square. In kW equal to H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration, because these two concentration is equal to the kW. In 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 value divided into H plus ion value 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7, and OH minus ion value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter. And different formulas are obtained in ionic product of water. H plus ion concentration equal to kW by OH minus ion, and OH minus ion equal to kW by H plus ion. H plus ion concentration equal to OH minus ion concentration equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter. Then next, pH scale. The pH scale was introduced by S.P. Sorensen in order to explain acidity of dilute solutions accurately. pH definition: the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH. Its formula: pH equal to minus log H plus, pH equal to log 1 by H plus. pH scale is in the range of 0 to 14. Its value 0 to 14. For acidic solution, pH is less than 7. For basic solution, pH is more than 7. And for a neutral solution, pH equal to 7. Then next, pOH. The negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration is called pOH. pOH equal to minus log OH minus, pOH equal to log 1 by OH minus. The sum of pH and pOH equal to 14, that is pH plus pOH equal to 14. The concept of pH extended to other values constant. They are pKa equal to minus log Ka, pKb equal to minus log Kb, pKw equal to minus log Kw. This is the topics discussed about in acid base concepts. The first one is the properties of acids and properties of bases, and Arrhenius theory and strength of Arrhenius theory of acids and bases, limitations of Arrhenius theory. Then next, Bronsted-Lowry theory, definition of acid and base. Then next, strength of acids and bases as per Bronsted-Lowry theory. Then next, limitations of Bronsted-Lowry theory. Next, Lewis theory. Then next, pH and pOH. In this topic, asking questions: define Lewis acid and base, explain with example. Then next, write the limitations of Lewis theory. Then next, define ionic product of water, give its units and its value. Then next, define pH and pOH.